In this video, I'll be showing you how to open Explorer and Properties on Roblox Studio. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what you want to go ahead and do is firstly open up your Roblox Studio, and then from here, just open up any project you want. I'm just going to open up this base plate project right now. Now your Explorer and your properties are going to be very essential. As you can see, I have my Explorer right here and my properties right here as well. Let's say I accidentally close one or I close both of them and I don't know how to get them back, even though they are very essential. So what you want to do is at the very top, you're going to see Explorer and properties. So Explorer is a view list of objects in the workspace, and properties, view properties of objects. All you want to do is click Explorer. As you can see, Explorer is now right here. And the same thing for properties, click properties, and now properties are going to be right here as well. And you can just press them whenever you want to find them again. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.